Thank yourself, every version of yourself, every year of yourself, every season of yourself. You are strong, you are brave, you are resilient, and you are brilliant. Life doesn't battle you because you're weak. It battles you because you are strong. It knows that if it gives you pain, you will realize your power. You have it in you. Your feelings are valid. Your experiences are valid. Your opinions are valid. Your emotions are valid. Your tears are valid. Your fears are valid because they are yours. You deserve all the love, care, support, abundance, and happiness. You deserve the best, and you are worth it. Even in all those times you felt like giving up in the past, you've held yourself. Whether you have suffered in silence or burnt with rage, whether you've dreaded the next day, whether you've put on a smile or draped a semblance of normalcy when you were all shattered inside, you've still held yourself. You have had yourself. In all those times you felt like giving up or giving in, after giving so much, you've actually grown. You are still here. You have made it. Keep going. Whether you feel time heals everything, or whether you feel some things get worse with time, that time is still on your side. How you perceive it determines how you experience it. Keep going. All the times you have prayed, hoped, and tried, or all the times you have healed, been cut open, and healed again and again and again, you have done this. And this is your strength. You stayed for yourself through everything, and that's the only thing that matters. You have fought for yourself, fought your way, and fought for the things you believed in, and this is your strength. You have seen yourself crumble and be reborn, each version of you resurrecting from the ashes. You've carried yourself through each heavy moment that once felt like forever. And if life feels heavy right now, just remember how you always managed to overcome it and reach the other side. Maybe not unscathed, but definitely stronger and wiser. Just like every phase of your life, this too shall pass. When hope flickered, faith trembled, patience thinned, and darkness engulfed you, you managed to stay afloat, and this is your strength. No matter how tough it was, you became tougher. You still showed up and lived through it all. You endured it like no one else could. And trust me, this is no less than a feat. You've made it thus far. You have held your own hand through it all. Or at least you tried. Stay. Don't give up. Give yourself all the good you deserve. You are worthy of it. You are special. Keep going. What you have found within is much greater than what you have lost. Even if you feel lost right now, just know that you will find your way. If life feels broken right now, just know it will all come together, just like you mended yourself together before, piece by piece. Remember how far you have come and keep going. You might have been hurt, but don't hurt yourself. You might have been abandoned, but don't abandon yourself. You might have been betrayed, but don't betray yourself. You might have been disrespected, but don't disrespect yourself. You might have felt unheard, but don't dismiss yourself. You might have lost some people, but don't lose yourself. You might have been undervalued, but don't undervalue yourself. You might have been heartbroken, but don't break your own heart. Stay. Don't give up. Show up for yourself. Be proud of yourself. Be kind to yourself. Cheer yourself up. Hug yourself. Choose yourself. Accept yourself. Focus on yourself. Work on yourself. Take care of yourself. Believe in yourself. Outdo yourself. Thank yourself. Love yourself. Forgive yourself. And give yourself grace. You are only human. Be your own support system. Be your own best friend. Be your own light. And keep going. Through every scar, sniffle, scream, and silent battle, through the stories you didn't post and the episodes that no one saw, through all those closed chapters, the ones you've bookmarked but don't read, through those stinging situations, those insecurities, and those expectations, through every step or misstep along the way, you have salvaged yourself and sculpted your strength. Honestly, you are doing great. You are special. You are unique. You have made it thus far, and you must keep going. Love every version of yourself, every bit of yourself. The good, bad, cringe, numb, weird, hurt, angry, broken, and hopeful. Little you looks up at present you, and the future you has faith in you. And all the yous in between have gotten you thus far. Don't let them down. You've got this. You've grown so much. Thank yourself, every version of yourself, every year of yourself, every season of yourself, and keep going.